What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 91 Gadgets. I hope you guys are having great holidays. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you guys haven't already, please like this video and turn on the notifications bell so that you can see the new videos that pop up. And stay tuned for a video I'm going to upload pretty soon. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it live or if I'm just going to record. I'd like to do it live so that we can get some interaction and some feedback about this subject, but let me show you guys a little bit about what it is. So this video I want to upload is going to be titled Phone Addiction, and I'm going to be talking about the stuff we go through with our kids and ourselves. You know, we're stuck on these phones, and it's ironic because we fix them, right? But there's ways of using them. There's good and bad habits on using your phones. A lot of it's going to just be out of the top of my head, just like most of my videos are. Like this video here, I just hit the record button and let's go. But yeah, so stay tuned for that video. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how an iPhone 13 changed the color of a case to pink. Alright guys, so this video is going to be pretty short. We have an iPhone 13 here. I put a case on it, and it must have just been for 2 days. And it's weird because the case turned pink. Alright, this is not for an iPhone 13. This is actually for an iPhone 12. And I forced it on it just so that it doesn't break while I got the 13 in, right? It's not the most expensive case. It's not even about the case, if it's cheap or expensive. How did it turn pink? So let me show you guys over here. We have an iPhone 13, pink. We have the case that we had on it, okay? And then we have the new case here. So somebody help me understand how this case turned pink, okay? If you guys can see, there's a pink tint to it. You see that? And I'm going to move this so you guys can see it's not the reflection of this phone. So I think it's crazy. Like I'm going to search it up, but somebody let me know in the comments, how does this become pink? Like, are these phones cheap? Are they, I don't know. Is it losing the color from here? I mean, was it more pink before? Hey guys, maybe it was more pink. Actually, it looks a little silver now. Guys, well, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I don't want to talk bad because, again, I'm not 100% sure. But, I mean, if they're painted, are they not painted, like, good? Or is it just the fact that I kind of forced it on it? This is what I did. It's not even that forced, guys. It's pretty annoying because the buttons didn't match up. So for those of you guys wondering if the cases are interchangeable or intercompatible, they're not. See, the button is kind of off to the side. And this one, obviously, it says iPhone 12 Pro right here. See, it says IP12 Pro on that one. And look at these buttons here. See, they're off. So that's kind of annoying because it just pushes buttons like. But anyways, it was just temporary while this one came in the mail. So, again, I was super shocked to see that this thing turned pink because it should be this color, okay? So, yeah, let's go ahead and install the new case on it. And I guess if it changes colors in a couple of days, we will... Uh-oh, there's a piece of hair right there. We will update you guys. And let you guys know if it changed the color as well. So, I like this case because it actually covers the glass around here, so. Alright, perfect. There it is. This case has the bumpers here on the corners, so if it falls, it kind of just bumps off. You see that? So that's pretty neat. I always recommend to use something with lip or with this to protect your screens. Especially these because these are OLED now. Starting with the iPhone 12s, actually, they're OLED, so they're more expensive than your LCDs. All right, so let me know your thoughts on why this one changed colors. It looks pink. And let me know if Apple should do a better job at quality control or whatever it is. You know, if it's Apple's design flaw or if it's just inevitable for any design. Let me know, guys. I'm not jumping to conclusions here on why it happened. These are just my thoughts. So I want to know your thoughts to see if that is just inevitable for it to lose some color on here. And should it do that, you know, at a price range of $1,000, you know? I mean, these are about $900. If you get insurance in it, you're paying an extra $200 a year for insurance. It's about $1,000 right there, guys. So let me know what you guys think. As always, thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for being subscribed. We have 12,000 subscribers now. Man, it all started from a quick video on how to open cell phone repair shop. That's pretty much what got it started. But I want to thank you guys for being there, loyal to me and to 911 Gadgets. Please stay tuned. Turn on your notifications button, because in 2022 I'm gonna finally launch the whole building your own store video. We're gonna be welcoming a lot of you guys to start using our name, joining our team, being part of the whole movement that we're doing with 911 Gadgets. So go down to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get that 5-day curriculum if you want to learn how to open your own cell phone repair business, or if you just want to stay connected with us, you can. If you already have a business but you want to be part of 911 Gadgets still, you can keep your name. You'll just get an official logo that says connected on it, and you'll be able to benefit from some of the perks that we offer to our 911 Gadget stores. And you will also benefit from our support meetings. 1 meeting a week exclusively for 911 Gadget stores. But if you're part of the connected affiliates, then you'll get access to those meetings as well. So it all starts with that 5-day curriculum. If you already started, you can still get it and join our team. You'll get access to our private Facebook group. So yeah, 2022 is going to be a really good year for all of us. I hope it's a really good year for you guys. My main thing is, let's grow. And there's no better way of growing than growing together. So, yep, if you guys want to reach out, have some questions, leave them here in the comments, or text me, 951-399-7911, or send us an email at contact@911gadgets.com. Be sure to go follow us on Instagram at 911gadgets. Also, if you're into businesses and real estate or anything else, go follow my Instagram at Adrian Amro. So we'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.